Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this twin paddle mixer from Parkside, the model PDRW 1800B1, with electronic rotation speed control to ensure good consistency. Mixing volume maximum it is 90 liter, rated power 1800 watt, rated no load rotation speed from 0 to 450 and from 0 to 750 RPM. Paddle holder quick release system, universal paddle 125mm each, working diameter 210mm. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty, designed in Germany. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. With the 4 meters cable, I like that, it helps a lot. Manual included, if you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, gonna find out all about this product. 2 rotating paddles for thorough mixing, mark it black, it goes at the black, you can see here. And another one, green, metal, all the construction, I like it. Very durable. I cannot bend this area. Okay. And we have this bracket for storing or hanging with 4 screws. And I need to install that at this position here. Well done. Here you can choose the 2 speeds, first and second. First, second. Ergonomic handle with responsive push switch. We have this soft grip around. You need to press the safety button and then the trigger, otherwise it doesn't work. And we have another 2 buttons for increasing and decreasing the rotation speed. And of course first you need to choose the first or the second rotation speed. I like it, it's quite heavy of course, huge motor. You need to connect 2 paddles. Now the black one, it goes at the black obviously. Black here. To connect it is very easy. Just pull that back and that was all. And the same and for the green. Pull that back. Okay, that was all. So easy. I like it. Now let's power on and see how it's rotating. It is quite heavy, so wow, that is the first speed, second, okay. I am decreasing and increasing the speed from the buttons. Okay. Wow, too much noise. It is so loud. And again, let's go at the first speed. For thorough and energy-saving mixing of liquid and powdered building materials, like cement, glue tiles, epoxy resin or paint. Powerful motor can also process heavy material mixtures as well as large volumes, sand or gravel with cement and more. It has a powerful motor, I can feel that on my hands when it's working. You need to wear earplugs for the noise, even outdoors the noise is high from the motor. It costs 80 euros and if you want to make your own DIY project at your home, it's the right tool, even for everyday professional work. You can just buy it and give it a try, has 3 years warranty. So until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.